Looking for a new holiday workshop? Well, Christmas is just around the corner. So if you want to know how much this 60 by 120, 7,200 square foot, and you want to add it on your Christmas list, well, stick around and let's tour this building together along with pricing. Welcome back, Pack. Erik here from WolfSteel Buildings, and Christmas is almost here, and this building looks like Santa's workshop. It's a red 60 by 120 metal workshop out here in Bells, Texas. But first, we'll cover the backstory of this project, the sales process, the timeline, and of course, the total cost of the building. I'll also explain what's included, why it's included, and even compare it to a red iron. All right, so what do you say? Let's get this pricing started. Hey Pack, before we move along with this pricing video, I'd like to share a quick backstory on how this project came to be. Tragically, our client did lose his original building in a fire. It's very sad. So after that was done, he needed a building. He did his research. Luckily, he found us on YouTube. He called. Our Janice answered from the Alpha Wolf sales team. He helped him out, gave him some quotes, gave him with some timelines, different options. He opted to go with the Tubular option because it's a faster timeline than the bolt-up. Now, keep in mind, his original building was a bolt-up building. So we gave him that quote, we gave him that timeline. Didn't fit with his needs, so we directed him through a tubular structure, which are engineered as well. He liked it, he liked the price, he liked the timeline. He said, let's roll with it. All right. Now, for more information in obtaining permits and how that works, we have a perfect video for you guys. Cassandra made an educational video in regards to permitting. I'll link that video in the description as well. Highly recommend you for all of our new viewers, or for everyone that's trying to pull that trigger in obtaining a metal building. Please go check it out. Very valuable information. All right. Now, the total cost for the building alone, without the concrete, we're looking at $136,328 with 0 cents. Again, the total cost for the 60 by 120, 7,200 square feet to be exact, building alone, we're looking at $136,328 with 0 cents. Now, here's what you're getting for your investment, all right? You're getting a 60 by 120, 7,200 square footage of a building. You're getting commercial trussing. You're getting X braces. You're getting web legs, diagonal web bracing on those legs. These are wind rated. You do have additional girts. You do have additional support system framing members. You have the two-tone wainscot. You have the upgraded gauge sight on the panels. These are 26 gauge AG panels. Also, we do have two 14 by 14 chain hoisted overhead doors, and then we have four 36 by 80 frame mounts, which we did include the install of those doors as well. Something to note here, Pack, our client did provide his own doors. We did provide the labor to install them and the frame outs. But something very important here, Pack, if you're gonna provide your own doors, please have them the day before the install ready to go. That way there's no complications or any stoppage on your building completion. All right. Again, Pack, this is 7,200 square footage. Hopefully these images are doing justice on what I mean. It is a very big building, lots of space to have a workshop, workspace, and a storage area. Another cool thing about this project is obviously that color combination. We don't see it a lot. This is our barn red, which is on our sides and ends, and then we have the black trim, and then also we have the Quaker two-tone wainscot and the Quaker roof. It's a very cool color combination. You don't see these a lot. Leave a comment down below if you like this color. At WolfSteel Buildings, we use color matching screws to match the panels. Now, this is a standard for all of our buildings, and it adds an aesthetically pleasing finish. Especially for a building with such a vibrant color, this is a standard added cost. Now, the wainscot here is Quaker Gray. We have the Quaker Gray Z trim, and then we have the barn red on the panels on the top side of that Z trim. As you guys know, whenever we add the Z trim, that is an additional cost for our vertical panels. We have the panel, and then we have the Z trim, and then we have the two-tone wainscot. All right, now what does that mean? Extra materials, extra labor, extra added costs. All right. Also included in this price are these two massive 14 by 14 overhead doors in our color bronze option. This is very close to that Quaker Gray, so he tried to match it as much as possible to that Quaker Gray. Again, these are bronze colors. These are 14 by 14. These are chain hoisted overhead doors. Very easy to maneuver without those openers. Now, since these overhead doors are added on the side of the building, every time we do that, we're eliminating legs on the building, right? So in order to make this happen, we have to install what is known in the industry as headers. Now, if you're wondering what headers are simply added frame members to support the added frame outs. In this case, these 14 by 14 overhead doors. But if you want to get more information in regards to why is an extra cost for frame outs on the side of your building, please check out this video I'm about to link in the description as well, and it explains everything there is to know about headers. Also included in the price are the gutter system, which includes the gutters and downspouts. This is very key to have in your tubular building. The gutter system does help divert water away from your building. All right, it does help with the erosion control. If you're wondering about these colors, these are our black option for the gutter system. All right, so everything that I just mentioned, the gutter system, the two-tone wainscot, the upgraded 26 gauge panel, the 14 gauge, the added framing members inside the building. Remember, we went from 10-foot spaces in between the legs to 9-foot 3 spaces to meet the requirements of the city wind codes. All right, again, this is $136,328 with 0 cents. Again, this price is valid 5 days after this post date, and this price is subject to this location. All right, Bells, Texas. Now, what is included aside from the building and everything that I just mentioned, we have the labor, the tax, delivery, and installation, and let's not forget equipment charge. Equipment was needed here. As you can see, this is a very big building, a lot of heavy trussing. When I was out there, these guys were not stopping up and down with that SkyTrack out there. I'm going to give you another quote here. All right, I don't know if you guys remember the beginning of the video, I mentioned that his original building was a bolt tub building, right? I'm going to give you the cost of a bolt tub red iron. All right, that price would have been $207,646 with 78 cents, and that's included the same dimensions, the 60 by 120, 16 feet on leg height. We have the 26 PBR, we have the two-tone wainscot, the 2 overhead doors, the 4 door frame outs. That's $207,646 with 78 cents. Let's put them both on the screen and compare them. Now, before we wrap this up, we got some exciting news. Our Christmas gifts for y'all. Y'all ready? Have you seen our little treats for you on YouTube Shorts? If not, go check them out. It's our 12 days before Christmas, which started on the 14th, all right? So we're doing that from the 14th to Christmas Day, all right? We'll be pricing out 12 buildings from YouTube this 2024. We hope this helps you plan for your future builds with ease and excitement, all right? Lastly, a quick reminder for the holiday season pack starting December 24th through January 1st of 2025, WolfSteel Buildings will be operating with limited staff. We ask for your understanding during this time, but rest assured we'll do our absolute best to take care of y'all and keep things running smoothly. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Let's not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. to stay updated on everything WolfSteel Buildings. All right, see y'all next time, and happy holidays.